Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I want to check in.
Sure. Can I have your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any bags?
Yes, I have one big bag.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay?
Great. Your bag is good. No extra weight.
Good. Thank you.
Do you want a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
No problem. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 10 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice flight.
Thanks. You too. Hello. Boarding pass, please?
Yes. Here.
Thank you. Please put your phone and laptop in the tray.
Okay.
And take off your shoes.
Oh, okay.
Please walk through the scanner.
Like this?
Yes.
Done.
Great. You are all good.
Thank you.
Hi, is this gate B12?
Yes, this is B12.
Thank you. Are you going to Tokyo too?
Yes, I am.
Is this your first time?
Yes, it is my first time.
Nice. Tokyo is great.
I am excited.
Do you know what time we board?
At 10 a.m.
Oh, good. We still have time.
Yes, we can wait here.
Do you want some water?
No, thank you. I'm okay.
All right. Boarding now for flight 520 to Tokyo. Row 20 to 30, please.
That's us.
Yes, let's go. Boarding pass, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a good flight.
Thank you.
Excuse me, is this seat 21A?
Yes, 21A is the window seat.
Great! Thank you.
No problem.
Hello. Welcome on board.
Thank you.
Would you like some water?
Yes, water, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I like the window.
Me too. Look, we can see the city.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Lunchtime. Chicken or pasta?
Chicken, please.
Pasta for me, please.
This chicken is good.
My pasta is okay.
Can I have more water?
Yes, sure. Here you are.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to Tokyo. Local time is 3 p.m.
We're here.
Yes. Let's go to passport control.
Passport, please.
Here.
Thank you. Purpose of visit?
Vacation.
How many days?
5 days.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Excuse me, where is the taxi stand?
Go straight, then turn left.
Thank you.
Hello, taxi?
Yes, where do you want to go?
I want to go to Sunlight Hotel.
Sunlight Hotel. Yes, I know it.
Great. Do you want air conditioning?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Do you want music?
Soft music, please.
The hotel is 30 minutes from here.
Okay. Thank you.
Are you here for travel?
Yes, this is my first time.
I hope you enjoy the city.
Thank you.
We are here.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's 3,000 yen.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Hello. Welcome to Sunlight Hotel.
Hello, I have a reservation?
Can I have your passport, please?
Yes, here.
Thank you. Let me check. Yes. Anna Smith.
Yes, that's me.
You will stay for 5 nights, right?
Yes.
Here is your room key. Room 802.
Thank you.
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Okay.
The elevator is on the left.
Thank you very much. Wow, this room is nice. The bed is big. The view is good. I can see the city.
Hello, this is the front desk. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is good, thank you.
Great. Enjoy your stay.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
where is the nearest convenience store?
Go out of the hotel, turn right, walk 2 minutes.
Thank you.
And how do I go to the train station?
Take bus number 22.
Bus 22. Okay,
It stops right in front of the hotel.
thank you so much.
Hello, what would you like?
I want a sandwich and orange juice.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay.
Thank you.
How was your food?
It was very good.
Great. Here is your bill.
Thank you.
Hi, Anna. You at the hotel?
Yes, I just arrived.
Want to explore the city tomorrow?
Yes, sure.
Let's meet at the lobby at 9 a.m.
Okay, see you.
Good morning. I want to check out.
Good morning. Room 802.
Yes.
Everything is good. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Do you need a taxi?
Yes, please.
It will arrive in 5 minutes.
Okay. Thank you.
Airport?
Yes, the airport, please.
Do you have a flight soon?
Yes, in 2 hours.
Don't worry, we will be on time.
Thank you.
Have a safe flight.
Excuse me.
Yes? How may I help you?
I am looking for a good place to visit.
Do you like parks, museums, or shopping?
I like parks and museums.
Then you can visit Central Park and the City Museum.
Are they far?
No, not far.
How can I go there?
You can take the subway.
Which line?
Line 3 for the park, Line 2 for the museum.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello. I want 1 ticket, please.
1 ticket?
Yes, 1 ticket to Central Park.
That is 200 yen.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your train is on platform 1.
Platform 1. Thank you very much.
Is this seat free?
Yes, it is free.
Thank you.
Are you a tourist?
Yes, I am a tourist.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Nice. How long are you staying?
5 days.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
Wow, this park is big. The trees are beautiful. The air is fresh.
Do you want a photo?
Yes, please.
Okay. Smile.
Smiles.
Here you go.
Thank you. It's nice.
Glad you like it.
Hello. Welcome to the City Museum. Hello. How much is the ticket?
500 yen.
1 ticket, please.
Here you are.
Is this museum big?
Yes, it has 3 floors.
Wow. Okay.
Enjoy your visit.
Thank you.
Excuse me,
Yes?
where is the nearest cafe?
Go straight, then turn right. It's next to the bookstore.
Thank you.
No problem.
Hello, what would you like to drink?
I want a latte, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Anything to eat?
A small cake, please.
Okay.
How was everything?
It was very good.
Great. Here is your bill.
Thank you.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello. How much is this keychain?
It is 300 yen.
I will take it.
Anything else?
No, just this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome back.
Hello. I had a great day.
Wonderful. Do you need anything?
Yes. Can I have 2 extra towels?
Of course.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your night.